Wanted to get on here and make a quick little video about why it's so important to work with a company who's specialized in flat glass and residential and commercial glass, as opposed to working with a generalist marketing company. I'm sure you have experienced, getting leads for windshield repair and replacement from Angie's List, or a marketing company who just isn't well versed in bigger jobs like frameless shower enclosures or storefront, board ups, or either again bombarding you with a ton of auto leads, windshield repair replacement specifically, or they're small jobs, little broken windows that you're just running around town or having your guys run around town when you could be exerting less energy and making more money. So that's where we come in. It took us an embarrassing amount of time to crack the code for just distinguishing between auto glass and residential and commercial. But once we did, it's been an amazing result. I mean, you don't have to take my word for it. I'm going to link some client testimonials so you can see for yourself. We tend to attract glass businesses who are equipped to deal with the abundance of leads that we generate for them. So typically having a couple crews ready to go.
Hey there, it's Chris Moore, and I'm here to talk about Taylor. I'm down here in Miami for a mastermind, but I want to take a few minutes and just tell you about a very special person that I know. One of the businesses that I'm a partner in is called Brake Masters, and that's where I met Taylor. And since then, she's become one of my students, but also one of my teachers. I'll tell you that I don't meet a lot of people that impress me very often, especially being the person who's coaching. But when I have students that really pay attention and who implement everything I say, and they do exactly what I tell them to do, and they see these amazing results, it really warms my heart. And that's what I love about Taylor. But not just because she listens to me and she does what I teach her to do, it's because she has a really high marketing and sales IQ. And what I mean by that, in my world, that's somebody who just gets it. They understand the game. One of the references or analogies is someone like a Michael Jordan just understands the game of basketball. People say he has a high basketball IQ and allows him to get to levels that other people don't reach. And I think I see that in Taylor. I see that she has a high marketing and sales IQ. She gets it. But what else? When you add in hard work, perseverance, and extreme dedication and ambition, a lot of that all together, it's a powerhouse. So keep watching Taylor, whether you're working with her as one of her clients, whether she's someone that you have met for whatever reason. You can trust her. She's got high integrity, and she's very, very smart. She knows what she's doing, and if she can't do something, she won't tell you she can. So I think integrity stands out to me, ambition, high marketing and sales IQ, and somebody who is going to do a great job every time, or she won't take you on as a client.